One great idea can move the world forward. But when what you need isn't available off the shelf, access to customized components becomes essential. When you need custom items like reagents, kitting, software, technology, workflow solutions, and more, well, that's where our genetic sciences OEM and commercial supply team comes in. As your partner, we provide flexible solutions and dedicated support, regardless of your size or development stage. We know your vision is greater than the sum of its parts, and that's why we work with you to design customized solutions. Starting with the first, wow, this is a great idea, and ending with, did we just move the world forward? It's time to deliver your dream faster. Let's do this together, one customized solution at a time.